Okay, so let's continue on with unit rates, and this time what we're going to do is I would like for you to be in your workbook, and you will be on workbook page 32, and I would like for you to go to that page, pause, and then try to do A and B, and what you're looking for is the unit rate. So pause the video, go ahead and try the two got it problems. All right, so at this point you should have done both A and B. So let's read it. It says Amanda downloaded 35 songs in 5 minutes. All right, there's a clue. Songs, minutes. How many songs did she download per minute? Now notice the words are helping us. It's telling us what goes in the numerator and what goes in the denominator. Since songs is first, so we would write 35 songs. I'm going to use S for songs so you see it. And minutes would have to go in the denominator. Remember, this word right here means per. So this would be 5 minutes. We need to figure it out for 1 minute. Well, remember, I told you that unit rates, they're division problems. This is really the division problem, 35 divided by 5, which we know is 7. So it would be 7 songs in 1 minute. The other way you could have done it is you could realize that these are equivalent fractions. Ratios are fractions. You divide by 5 here, you divide by 5 here, you still get the same answer. All right, now let's look at B. All right, so letter B. So on B it says, Jonathan is baking several loaves of bread to sell in his bakery. He used 9 cups of water. Oh, it's giving me a hard time here. There we go. 9 cups of water. And 12 cups of whole wheat flour. How much water was used per cup of flour? So look, water first. So it's 9 cups of water, and then it's flour goes second. 12 cups of wheat flour. I'm just going to abbreviate that F. So we need for 1 cup. So you have to figure it out for 1 cup of flour. So you divide. Oh, now this is where it gets tricky. This is 9 divided by 12. Okay. Fractions are division problems. So this is where we're going to do some decimal division. This is how you change a fraction into a decimal. You divide. Fractions are division problems. Which number goes in the house? Let's see if you get it right. Did you tell me it was the 12? That's wrong. The first number always goes under the house, not the larger number. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. You have to get used to that. This is 9 divided by 12. So now, how many 12s go into 9? None. So when that happens, you add a decimal point, add a couple of zeros. If you need them, you use them. Right? So how many 12s are going to go into 90? Well, let's see. I'm going to do some work on the side. So this is pretty close to 10. Well, if I use 9, I think it's going to be too much. So this would be 108. So let's try 8. So 12 times 8 is 96. Still too much. Now notice I saved my work. This is what I'm talking about when you're working with these problems. Sometimes you're going to have to do this. Here's one, 84. So it looks like that works, 84. So that was 7. And now when I subtract, I'm going to have to borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. Bring down a 0. You have a remainder. Remember, no more little r's. You're going to drop down zeros. Ah, this is nice because I know 12 times 5 is 60. And now I can stop. So my answer is 75 hundredths cups of a water. This, I want you to start thinking of in terms of a fraction. When you see 75 hundredths, 3/4, fourths, quarters, you have 3/4. Think of money, right? Okay, so those are some additional examples of how to use the unit rate. I would like for you to go to page 34, and we're going to do one more problem. So turn to page 34. It may take a little while. If you have to pause me, go ahead. I won't take offense. There we go. All right. See if I can see it. There we go. All right. So let's read the problem, right? It says 4 potted plants cost $88. What is the price? I like this problem. What is the price per plant. Now, do you notice they put four potted plants came first, and then it says cost $88? Look what they're asking for first. They're asking for the money first. Almost all the time, whether money is listed first or not, money always goes first. And we need to do it for 4 plants. They want to know the price per plant. What is the cost for 1 plant? This is the unit rate. So we got to figure it out for 1 plant, right? So what do? Divide. So 88 divided by 4. Remember, numerator divided by denominator, working down. So this goes in twice. Subtract the 0, bring down the 8. Goes in twice again. You can stop. So the cost would be $22 per plant. All right, so that's it for today, giving you some additional practice. I'm sure your teacher will have some additional problems for you to do, or you can start working on your homework.